So after another WordPress update, you may see PHP update required. So in order to fix this error, you should update your PHP version. So how to do this? You need to log into your cPanel account. So simply type here your address bar cPanel, press enter, or go to your hosting account and find their file manager. Come back. So here is the cPanel. So first of all, you need to access it. When you are here, you should scroll a little bit and find software section. Here is select PHP version. Click on it. So it will load now all settings, all things what you have got installed, and here is PHP version, here is your current version, and here you can click and switch to latest one. So switch to latest one. Okay, and click on set as current. So it will update and everything should be completed now. Let's check what version it shows. Yeah, it shows the latest version. Now we can update our website, and as you can see, this error disappeared. After completing these changes, you should also go to click on settings, permalinks, and update your permalink like this. So now it's all great, your website running without any errors, and I hope this video was helpful for you.